NordVPN pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume NordVPN is just another VPN. The surprising truth is that its pricing reflects advanced security features, thousands of servers, and reliability that many cheaper VPNs can't match. NordVPN starts around $99 per month for a monthly subscription. This gives full access to its servers as 256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and support for multiple devices. It's convenient for users who need flexibility without committing long-term. Long-term plans bring the price down significantly. A 2-year plan averages around per month, offering the same features but at a fraction of the monthly cost. For anyone serious about privacy or streaming geo-blocked content regularly, this plan delivers excellent value. NordVPN also includes extras like CyberSec for ad blocking and malware protection, dedicated tip options, and double VPN for extra security. Businesses or frequent travelers often find these features worth the additional investment. Most people get this wrong by comparing only the monthly cost. The real value comes from speed, reliability, server access, and privacy features. Paying a little more ensures consistent performance and robust security. In conclusion, NordVPN pricing varies by subscription length and added features. Choosing the right plan ensures strong security, fast connections, and the best return for your money.